Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last video in Laravel, we have stopped in here. Okay, so we have different pages we have created, about page, contact page, and everything we have shown. Okay, now we have to going to implement the Bootstrap into our project. So how to implement the Bootstrap? You have to go to the respective website Bootstrap. I not connected the internet, so that's why. So go to the respective website of Bootstrap. So you have to copy these two things. This is for your CSS. This is for JavaScript. Both files are needed. Some guys are copying only Bootstrap only. Why this JS is also must, because you cannot get the response without JS. Okay, the JS also must. You click on this, put in inside the head tag of uh, this welcome.plate. Okay. Okay, welcome.plate. This is the head. The same thing. I'm going to go to I'm going to put this one is a layout file. The layout file, all the things we are doing. Layout. Okay. The layout. Sorry. The welcome page we are not doing. The welcome page we don't need them. We have a put into this layout. But this is the layout file. The layout file we have a. This is your content. I will already discussed about this in our last class. This is the content. Each and every pages, header and footer same as it is. Only the content would be changed every pages. So what I'm going to do is header. What I'm going to do is header. What I'm going to do is, you can see here. I'm going to go to here. I'm going to join. I'm going to put it the div tag open and div tag close it. Now here I'm going to div class. I'm going to class div class. I'm going to div class. Okay, here I'm going to write container. Okay, div class container. You have to put one container. So this is the container. You write a container. So you can see here. So container. So I'm going to go to, let's copy this. I'm going to go to Jumboton. So Jumboton is very famous. So how to implement the Jumboton? Your Jumboton here. The code Jumboton. So you can get the Jumboton. That the documentation, guys. You can the Jumboton example. So Jumboton Jumboton. So Jumboton. Laravel file, Bootstrap file. So you can click on this. So this is the your Jumboton here. It looks like this. This things here. I need this kind of things. You can see the links. So as a code, we have to get the code of that one. Secondarily, here copy this. What's the code they are implemented? They are not a code. That's a styling. They are implemented styling. So the code. So this code I needed. So let's bring this one. So Jumboton. Okay, so the Jumboton, we have to get them from this, how they look like. The Jumboton look like. So Jumboton is very simple. Bootstrap 5. So we have to copy this here Jumboton example here. So this look like this Jumboton. Okay, here this is the Jumboton. So I just copy this. Okay, you have to paste on it. So this is how we have to do the real world application. Okay, we are not typing everything. You have just copy paste it, but we having a knowledge about HTML and CSS, then only we can do it. Okay, so the content is starting here, content is closing here. So jump button, you have to write primary text rounded. So jump button, you have to write this one as a, you have to give this one as a office, something like that. You have to do it student management system. Student management system. something. School. Library management is a library. Control is to save. So okay, so here we have to something you have to like type it like that. Okay, now let's save all. This one's a layout. Okay, the layout. Now let's bring back to the application and check what the application look like. Here, something's come. Okay, so it is coming here. So all the if you write some description about this about the library, it's coming. This is called as a which one? This jump. Okay, if you are not using the container, you can see what happened without container. Control save. It coming entire page without container. Okay, but this is not the efficient way. The normally we are doing like this way. Okay, this is a good thing. That is container. You implement the container. We have to make it as this also. Though we have to put inside the container. So now you have a idea. So here this one also. You have to put the div class. You have to write container. Copy this. Here also you have to paste it as a container. Control is to save this one. All things you have to save all. Bring back to the application and check it. Here it's come. About us. Okay. So now you have a good idea, clear idea. So how the things working on. Okay. Very simple. Okay. So you can see there we have a contact us page. So contact us page I am going to go to here. You can get both W3 school and we have to get the codes for here as well. So I'm going to go to here the contact form. Your type form. Your form here, this everything is there. Okay, sometimes you have a contact form. Sometimes the contact form is there. No, there's not. The only forms are there. Form. The form. You just copy this form and put into your code, and you can change the coding. Okay, this is a form. You just copy the code, clipboard, bring back to the application, and here just go to your contact blade.php and paste it. Let's select this one. Okay, you have to select this one first name. You have to write this. The email is there, so you have to write email. We know the password. Instead of the password, you have to type its name. Here, I hope you have a clear stand of bootstrap and everything. So this is if you understand the bootstrap, you can do it this one. Okay, this is all the things. Okay, so if you are a Laravel, if you come to the Laravel, the HTML CSS, you having a clear understand, then only you can make the coding stuff. This email we don't need this one, these things. Okay, name, address, and another field we have a thing is a phone number. Okay, you just copy this and we have this one is a tel. Type is tel. Okay, most of there's a type is tel. No need of these things. We have this one as a phone number. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, this ID is email. This is the email. Here, this one should be the ID. So you have to make it this one as a name. We don't have a attribute which is a name. This one should be we have ID is here email. Okay, here also we attribute your write the name, which is a name email. This is the attribute you write is a phone. This is also the name here as food. You have a clear idea to write this one. How to write these all things, you have a clear idea. Then only you can make the program. Okay, so let's save all, bring back to the application and check it what happened. What happened? So let's first fix contact us. Here you have a simple contact. Okay, this is how we have make our program simple way. Okay, this is how we have make our program. So the contact us form is will be here. Okay, we have did the contact us form. The contact us form you can now you can adjust yourself. Okay, this container here we have write another put another container here, put here you have write this like this, here you have put another container, you have write here this call md medium. We need only you feel you want only 5. Okay, so that it the size should be reduced. We don't need the same this how we form, we don't need this one here. Simply you have to reduce the size. Okay, everything we can do it. Okay, everything. Shall we put this form into the align as a center screen? So it is possible, so we have to write it over here. We have to write this one, the flags. We have to implement the flags. We have to implement the flags. We have to write call, and we have to implement the flags as well. Flags, deflags, justify containers, contain center mean, it alignment as center screen. You can check it this one. Here this one, okay, it's alignment as here this one we have final. So by this one we have put like this. It is we have get rid of class. We have put this one, we don't need that. Let's save all and bring back to the application check now. Okay, it's center screen. It's coming as a center screen. Okay, so here I'm going to make this one as a this one you have to, okay, this is enough. This you have to the sizes, if you feel it is too much small, here also you can make this one application you have to call 8. Look like this. Control S to save, and let's check. So it is align, this make it align also here. Now what I'm going to do is here simply we have to do it here align. We have to put it like this, justify container. We have to do second part, we have to put it over here. Here also we have to write it as a call md 7. This is how we have make the some different. Okay, now here it's working. Okay, so here first you have to understand how if you want to get this one as center screen, you have to you having a you have to must understand this all things. You have just copy this and paste it over here. This also you make it as center screen. Here now it's working. Okay, how to make the center screen of there are many students asking how to make the center screen. You have to make it as deflags, justify content. This is how the in bootstrap you have to make it as center. Deflags, okay, and content center. Okay, that's how we have make it as. I hope you guys you understood the things well. Thank you for watching.